Hey everyone! Today we're happy to announce that the Zoom integration is finally here. In this video, we're going to go over how to connect your Zoom account with SmartMatchApp account and also how to successfully use this new Zoom integration within SmartMatchApp. So let's start with the connection. First, you will need to go to the add-on section and you will need to choose Zoom integration, which is free. Here, you're going to connect your Zoom account just by clicking one button, and then when it's successfully connected, you're going to see your Zoom account information like this. Now let's move to the first use case with this new integration. So if you as an admin want to book a call with your member, it's never been easier really. So you just need to go to your member, click on Actions, and then click on Zoom Meeting. This will automatically start the Zoom meeting on your end. And if we check out what your member will see actually. So they will see this email and then they can join the meeting by clicking on this link. Really easy, really simple. So yeah, and the next use case would be in the event. So I just created one event for testing, and I'm gonna remove this link just to show you how you can add it easily. So once you created the event, once you added your members here, you can add the Zoom meeting link just by clicking on this plus button here. And you're going to have two links. First one is host link, which means that you will be the host as an admin and your members can join once you approve it. And the no host link basically means that your members can join one by one when the meeting is starting without you, so without host. The last thing I want to show you in this video is how this is going to look like in the member portal if you use member portal. So your members will basically log in, go to the events, go to this event, and then they will see other participants as well as when the event is starting and the Zoom meeting link. Maybe we can go to calendar and yeah, we're gonna see this Zoom event booked for 22nd. You can click on it, go back to the events with the meeting link. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'd like to know your feedback, so please reach out to us and let us know what you think about this new feature because we're always looking to improve things, and this is how we do it. Thanks so much for watching this video, and wish you a great day. Bye bye.